Hello friends, welcome back to Creative Cubs Art. Today we are going to make a bright, happy flower bouquet using just colors and a pen. This drawing is simple, relaxing and perfect for artists of all ages, from beginners to doodle lovers. So grab your paper, your colors and let's turn a blank page into something beautiful. First, I picked my brush pens and chose some cheerful colors: yellow, green, pink, blue, orange. Using these colors, I made soft rounded flower shapes. They look a bit like tulips but not exactly. So let's call them simple wild flowers. In real gardens, flowers don't stand in a straight line like soldiers. They grow in all directions. So I made my flowers face different ways to make them look lively and free. Now here I am fast forwarding the video a little bit, but in case you find it going too speedy, you can always pause and look back. Now comes my favorite part. I took a black ballpoint pen and inside each flower I drew thin black lines with tiny dots at the tips. These lines are called stamens and dots are anthers. They help flowers make seeds, so yes, flowers are tiny scientists doing experiments every day. I added these details to all the colorful flowers and suddenly they looked more real and interesting. Next, I drew long smooth stems one by one. I gently brought them together at the bottom so they look like they are hugging each other. When lines come together, they create a bundle, and that's how we make a bouquet look full and complete. And just like that, a simple and elegant flower bouquet appears. Isn't it amazing how a few colors and lines can create something so lovely? Today we learned how simple shapes can turn into beautiful art. If you enjoyed drawing with me, like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art for more fun, relaxing and learning-filled art videos. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring and keep having fun with art.